I know it's August,
but
I can't wait for Halloween.
Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm at Tik Tok Deli and Lounge, and I did some work here the other day. It's pretty cool. So I just want to get a few pictures and show them to you. All right. Got a big old bat here. It's about a 5-foot wide bat. Hi ladies.
Hi. Where were you with the other night on the news?
What's that?
Were you on the news the other day?
Yeah, I was on Channel 12.
Channel 12, yeah.
And I'm going to be on Channel 2. I just want to get pictures of this here. Yeah, you can stay there if you like. Yeah, I'm just shooting some video of it. Blah blah, make mine a Bloody Mary. And this guy over here is like, you'll dig our spirits. And at your own risk. Whoa!